Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how I'm planning to organize my stationery for 2023. So 2021 was a pretty good year when it came to stationery and stationery organization. I added a lot of sticker books to my collection, and I also maintained the organization part pretty well. I organized it in a system which worked out for me, and it was quite easier for me throughout the year. 2022 became a little bit chaotic because I ordered a lot of stuff, mainly to do hauls on videos, and also pretty soon things fell apart. My life became a lot chaotic, and I was living in India for the most part, so I had to carry a lot of stationery to India, and then I decided to come back, so I carried a few things back, and then I ordered 2023 stuff as well. So it's just been all over the place. And yesterday night what I did was I categorized a few of my stationery products into different buckets, and I've organized them in these boxes. I started using this particular box in 2021, and it has worked out really well for me to store stickers. And then in 2022 I added this one as well as this one into my collection. Then this is the letter set box that it came when I ordered in the buy one get one sale. So I have this one as well. This is actually the newest to my collection for stationery organization, and all of these boxes I got it when I ordered stationery products, mainly planners. Apart from the letter set box, all the others are planner boxes, and I really love using them because their quality is extremely good. Not all of them, some of them quality is really good, so I like to use that because when I use these stationery products throughout the year, I know that the box is not going to break, or the cardboard is not going to tear off, so it's going to maintain itself pretty well. So what I was saying is I really love how pretty these boxes are, and also I store all of these boxes in my in the shelves that are there in my desk, under my desk, and it looks really pretty. I just love how pretty it looks, so that's the reason I picked these boxes to store my stationery products. And I like to categorize them too in different boxes, that way I know what I can find in which box. So in this one I got this with Tatiana's planner for 2023, and what I've stored in this particular box are these sticker pages, and all of the sticker pages that are in here are the ones that I received with planners or calendars. They often are behind the planners. There are a couple of sticker pages at the back. Even some of the calendars come with a few sticker pages, so they stay at the back and I completely forget to use it. 2021 what I did was I ripped it off and I stored it separately, and I used a few stickers from there. In 2022 I did not do that at all, so most of the stickers from 2022 planners are just the way it came. Probably I've used one or two here and there. So I ripped off the 2022 pages as well as the 2023, the new planner sticker pages, and I've stored them all in here. And I'm so happy that I got this to this level because there are so many pretty stickers I would have completely forgotten about. So first I want to show you are these larger ones. Let's get these out of the way. This one came in the 2022 Alicia Souza wall calendar. I really loved that. I love the stickers, but you tend to forget, like it skips out of your mind that there are these cute stickers at the back. And among all the Alicia Souza stickers that I have, I feel these are my favorite. So I'm really glad to have them handy in this particular box, so that next year when I'm doing any setup videos, or I tend to use a few of these in my journals while I'm journaling, I can use them there. And this is India 365 Botanical Story 23 planners. These three sticker sheets came with 2022 planner, Botanical Story. Then this one was the tea time calendar. This one came with the letter set, which I like. These are Alicia Souza 2022 desk calendar sticker pages. There are a lot, and I haven't used even a single one, so I kept them here. Then this is the messy corner one for sticker pages. Then Khaled sign. This again, I really love their stickers. This was from the 2022 collection. and I haven't used any of them because it was just it wasn't even in my sticker stash. I don't know how it was in a place where it was. This isn't from the Digital Detox Journal ink bucket. These are all the ink bucket stickers, like behind the planners. Over the years I've got a lot of planners from ink bucket, and I have all of the sticker pages from there. Then these are all the ink bucket planner sticker pages, and these are all from Tatiana's planner. So this is from 2022. I tore it off a little bit while I was ripping it off, and then this is from 2023 planner. Sorting out these three, and this one is Rifle Paper Co. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. So I feel pretty good about this particular organization system. This way it's easier for me to remember. The most important part for me is to have it in different categories. That way it gets a lot easier for me to remember. Okay, I can find, if I'm thinking about a setup that I want to do, I know which stickers are where. So I'm really happy about this box. I was thinking I will actually merge these stickers with the existing ones that I have, but I don't think so. Now I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave this box as it is, and any stickers that I receive with planners or any other stationery products as freebies or that are there behind the books, I'm gonna put that in here. So I really love this particular box and the organization of that. Then I'll talk about the one that I was already using. Last night I sat and categorized this. It was just an absolute mess. Even now it is a mess, but it's sort of that there is method to the madness that's going on here. I know I've categorized them. It needs further revision to just go and organize it again, but it's way better than what it was before. So these are a couple of freebies. I have some cards that I received in here, you know, greeting cards, notes from my friends. Then these are tabs. I got it at a sale. These are a couple of cutouts, you know, I've chopped them up from calendars or any books or anything that I feel I can use it in some things, like any planner spreads or anything. This is a bookmark. These are a few stickers that are die cut, and these are one of my first stickers that I've purchased in my life. So I have them there, freebies. I really love the sticker sheet. So I have categorized them into different ways, and I know, but you know, some of these pages I've used a lot, there are still remaining, so I want to organize these too. I don't want to keep so many of these empty sticker sheets. So what I was thinking is I'll take all of these script stickers and put it in one place, all of these kind of boxes in one place, these icons in one place. That'll be really helpful for me. Let me show you. I did a little bit of it. Organization, where did that go? Yeah, here you go. See, I got the script stickers, all the heart ones. These are a couple more. These are all the weekend stickers. So I'm gonna do that. No pressure to do it before the new year, but having all of these here, probably I'll move these half-used ones into different box, because I don't know if I want to use this as my main sticker box or the other one. Let's see. I've been using this since 2 years. Probably it's time to change it up a little bit. So you see all half-used ones. So I've kept all of them in here. These are some of the samplers that I received. These are some of the sticker pages that are ripped off from the book, so I need to put it back into it. And this again came with a budget planner that I bought years ago. So I have them here too. So all of these are here. Probably this is the most messiest of all right now, but at least I'm glad that it's way better than before. And then you know, I remember now, I know what stickers are there in here because there were so many things. One of my credit cards was in this box. Sometime I just take it and put it in a box and I completely forget it. So I found what I was looking for. And even my earphones are lost. I was hoping that I would find one in one of these boxes, but I didn't. I have to look for them. But yep, this needs further revision. But these are all the old stickers that I've had from quite a long time, and there are some additional tabs and cutouts too. This is probably the newest one that I added in here because I want to use these to create a spread. That's why I've kept it in here. But yeah, let's see how we would organize this. I will update you guys in a future video. Then I have this box. This one came with Tatiana's planner, like 2022 planner, and I am putting all the stickers that I have created. Oh my god, the launch is just getting delayed. I'm really sorry about it. Even I'm not liking that it's getting delayed, but there are some things that I need to wait for. So I will share, guys, as soon as I have as soon as I've finalized a date. I will announce it in one of the YouTube videos. I'll make a separate video announcing it. But whatever stickers I have created, I am stocking them up all here, like one quantity of each design. That way I can do the videos when the stickers are launched. So I have all of them in here, and I really love this box, so that's why I picked this up to put the stickers that I've created in here. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to show it to you pretty soon. Okay, then we have another box here. This is the Ink Bucket Undated Planner box, you know, the huge planner we had. I got that to plan my content, but it didn't really work for me, so I have that planner in my stash. But I really love this box because, one, it is magnetic closure, and also it's quite large. It's just that it's quite like the depth is not that high as the other boxes are, so it tends to pop up like this, but I keep this at the bottom and I store everything so that way it sits properly. Okay, so in this box I have other stationery products that are like tiny. You know, I needed a spot to store all of them in, and I'm so glad. Not so perfectly, but it does fit everything in this box. So I have lots of notepads. This is Rohani Rang. These are the two notepads that I had created, that I had designed again lots of years back, probably 5 years back. I used to sell them, like both of these. This is the plain notes and this is the to-do list. And I have this with me like memory. I do use them and I feel really good when I use them, but I also don't want it to get over, because I think other than these two that I have, there are just two more left in the stock. So I have that here. Then this is one of the newest ones that I bought. This one I got it as a freebie with one of the Undated planners. These are sticky notes from Ink Bucket. This one got as a freebie, and this one I got in the loft sale. So like that. These are the book cards that I bought, and then these are the recipe cards. These are Alicia Souza sticky notes. So I like all of these products that are in here, and I just wanted a spot to organize them in one place, and I'm glad I could do it here. So I think notepad wise and sticky notes, I feel pretty good about my collection that I have here. Yep, no, it's good. So this is another box, and then I have this letter set. This is again one of the newest ones. I bought it during the Black Friday sale. So what I have here are these not extra, but these are the letter sets. So you have some letter paper, cards, and as well as envelopes. I don't know still what I'm going to be using these cards for. Probably, you know, I'll just keep it in my greeting cards storage, and I'll see whenever occasion comes I can use it to send it to people. But these letter papers, what I'm gonna do is to use it as like letters to myself. You know, you have a lot of, in many planner spreads, they do have letters to myself spread. I like to keep them separate because I just want to write a letter at the beginning of the year, just regarding whatever my intentions are and a message to my future self, and I want to seal it up and then put it into like somewhere that I can't see, and at the end of the year I can open it and read it and see. Just, it's a nice little activity. I've been doing it from 2-3 years and it's nice, so I want to do that. And this, I'll keep it as it is because it already came in this box and everything fits perfectly. These ones are the art prints that I got. For now I have it in here, but I want to use a separate system to store it because I have a few more art prints that I received as freebies in 21-22. So I'll store all of them together and keep it somewhere handy at my desk itself, because I want to use that to prop it up. I used to do that in 2021 and it was really nice. I don't know why, you know, like I said, I was in India, so I packed everything up, and now it's just in storage. So I need to get that out, keep all the art prints in one page. That way, probably weekly ones, I can switch things up based on what's currently going on in my life, what message I need to hear, something that I like, the mood that I want to set. So I'm gonna do that for this. So all of these planner boxes, I think most of my stickers, the boxes are just sliding off. Most of my stickers are in here, you know, the loose ones. I do have quite a few sticker books that are on my bookshelf. Probably I'll show it to you guys. I'll add a clip of the sticker books the way it is now. It's not my favorite the way I have organized it. I'm gonna bring a dish rack. You know, you keep the plates, right? Like it'll be like line. I do have it right now. I'm storing my planners on that. Probably I'll get another one of those and store sticker books. That way it's gonna stand perfectly and it's gonna look nicer as well. So yeah, I have to do that, and I need to purge a little bit of books. I will donate it to the little free library. The ones that I'm done reading and I'm fine to pass it on to others, I will donate it. I'll take you guys along. That'll be nice. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that, and this was just part one. I'm gonna show you how I'm organizing my planners, because I'm using multiple planners for 2023. I'll show you how I do that so that everything is nice and organized and it's easier for me to use on a daily basis. And then I'll show you the sticker book organization, also not the previous years, but the planners, undated planners. Some things that I like, I buy it, but I don't use it immediately. So I'll even show you guys how I organize that too. Then finally I'll do a desk tour. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video, like getting an insight into how I organize at least certain aspects of my stationery products, and I hope it gave you some ideas. I am really excited because doing these videos is helping me to organize, because I was procrastinating quite a bit to get to this stage, but I'm feeling pretty good now. So yeah, thanks a lot for people who requested me to do this video. That way even I am getting up and making sure I get all of these done. So yeah guys, a big thank you for that. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also share your thoughts in the comments down below. I'd love to hear them. Okay guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.